We live in one of the most beautiful parts of the country, and we're on a mission to see it for ourselves and show you how awesome it is. Today, our next journey takes us to the largest waterfall in the state of Georgia, Amicalola Falls. It is a sight of beauty that all can enjoy. Our channel focuses on family adventures, mainly in the North Georgia mountains, as well as neighboring areas. We hope our videos inspire you to get out and have adventures together. If you need a hit list of things to do in this area, I encourage you to subscribe, browse our videos, and of course we appreciate it if you hit the like button and leave a comment below to tell us about your favorite places to go. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. There's a couple different options to see Amicalola Falls, and we decided to go with the longest route. We're going to hike all the way and see the bottom of the falls, and this actually is part of the Appalachian approach trail. So guys, if you feel like it, we could just hike 2,190.9 miles today if you want to.
No.
You feel like doing that? Okay.
No.
So we'll just do this loop instead and have a good time. Yep, that's the tallest waterfall in the world right there.
There's ice over there.
Yep.
Ice? Yeah. Where? Over there.
All right, got our first view right here.
Amicalola is a Cherokee word meaning tumbling waters, and although it's called Amicalola Falls, it's technically a series of smaller waterfalls called cascades versus a straight drop. The official height of 729 feet is a little debatable based on whether people consider the last cascade to be. One thing I do know is whether it's 350 or 700 feet tall, it is absolutely breathtaking, which is why it's considered one of the 7 natural wonders of Georgia.
What do you guys think of this place?
It's really awesome. It's really cool.
Yeah, look at the waterfall just going straight under us. We've actually had a ton of rain in the last couple of weeks, so this is flowing good.
You might be noticing the steep sidewalks and all the stairs. Yes, there are 600 stairs. And be thinking, hey, I thought you said anyone could see this waterfall. I don't know if I can do all that. Well, I have good news for you. There are multiple parking spots that you can stop at and enjoy a pretty flat walk that even wheelchairs can access. So anyone can come here.
Oh. There they went. Bye-bye. Don't fall 789 feet. What you looking for?
Something like a salamander or maybe crawdad.
You gonna skip a rock? What'd you find?
Orange crawdad.
Oh, I think
Can I
pretty
hold
cool.
best species to eat?
There you go. What'd you find?
A grub.
Ooh, you gonna eat it?
No.
Okay. Oh, you got him. You got him.
Got it. Oh man, that's ginormous. That's actually ginormous. That is ginormous. Oh snap! That is ginormous. That is gigantic. You want me to hold it? Oh snap! Oh snap! I got it. Oh, got him. Whoa! This is what Eli caught it. Nora, look how big it is. Wow! It's ginormous.
What do you got? Let me go. Let me see it. Oh, that thing's pretty cool. Yeah, well, I think that's a good home for him right there.
Yeah. There. Blends in with rocks.
I don't think it is.
Yeah. I call clicking it.
All right, guys, what did you think?
Really
Oh, it's cool. It was the most
Really
awesome
pretty.
waterfall in the world that I've seen so far. I found the biggest salamander of my
That
life.
thing was huge.
It was,
It was bigger than his hand.
It was bigger
Yeah.
than my head.
So what was your favorite part?
The waterfall.
The waterfall and finding the salamander.
Yeah,
Salamander.
I caught a
in the
crawdad.
waterfall.
caught a crawdad,
Yeah.
I caught-
salamander.
I caught.
Yeah, so the reflection pool is pretty awesome.
I
Um,
caught free things in the.
Yeah, I think my favorite spot was being out on the bridge, like over the waterfall, like most of the way up. I thought that was really cool, where it was kind of falling under you. But remember, be present, be together, and find adventure in your own backyard.
Bye.
It's okay.